How to change your iPhone reason without losing data. You can change the reason on your iPhone without losing your personal data, and here is how you can do it safely. First of all, open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Now, once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, scroll down and tap on the Language and Reason option available. In there, you will get to see Reason again. Simply tap on it. Once inside the Reason, you will get to see the List of Countries option available. Tap on any according to your preferences. And that will be. Then it might ask for an Apple ID password. Enter your Apple ID password. Then changing the reason won't delete your data, photos, contacts, or messages. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.